Hi everyone, in this week's video I'm going to be showing you how to replace and renew your Mondeo MK3 car aerial. In this process it's fairly simple. I'm not renewing it, I'm just going to take it out, but the reversal is easy, pretty self-explanatory. So if you're a new viewer, hit that subscribe button down here, give us a thumbs up, but if you're a returning viewer, please give us a thumbs up on this video. Now then, without further ado, let's crack on, let's go. You're going to want to take the aerial out, but to do that you've got to go inside the car. To get access to it you need to remove this panel. So carefully remove it. So when you got the panel down, you're looking for this part here. This is the underside of the aerial. Doing the aerial, it's a 25 T piece. Just undo it. This ain't easy with one hand, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the camera down. Okay, so I've got the screw out. It's a, like I say, it's a T25. That's that. I'll put it somewhere safe. I'm going to stick mine down in here. We'll get back out of the car. And turn this off.
Well, I can see Benny boy.
And so, out of the car now, as you can see it's lifted off. Just lift it up and out of the way. And there's this bit out of the way. Put some soap, and you've got this little bit of plastic here. You just want to push that down inside. And we'll get that back out in a sec from inside. Give this a clean up. And that's how you remove the aerial. The car actually weirdly looks better without the aerial. So what I might actually do is see if I can get some sort of plug here or get it welded shut. In fact, probably a little silver plug, and we'll put some sort of like digital aerial in, so it sits inside here. Pick them up from places like Halfords and stuff. So yeah, I might do that. So I'm going to get this all sorted out.